Here is the garden in the shape of a quarter circle with a path of width 2 meters shaded as shown. Calculate the perimeter of the shaded path to 3 significant figures. You notice that it's asking you for the perimeter, not the area. So if it's the perimeter, what we're interested in is the 2 meters there, and then one arc and another arc. So I'm going to do the small arc first. The perimeter relates to the circumference, and you should know that the circumference equals pi times the diameter, okay, pi d. If you're not aware of that, make sure you make a note of it, because you will need to know circumference and area of circles. So the small arc, we're going to do pi times by, and the diameter is not 10, it's twice as big. So it's going to be pi times 20, which we would keep in its larger form for as long as possible. So your calculator will tell you that's 20 pi, yeah, or 20 times 3.142, etc. So that's a whole circle, but we're actually only interested in a quarter of the circle. So I would now divide that by 4. So that's going to give me 5 pi, yeah, which is about 15. So that arc length there is 5 pi. Our large arc is going to be pi times the diameter this time, and the diameter this time is 2 plus 10, which is 12, doubled, so pi times 24. So that's going to be 24 pi. And then again, we're going to divide that by 4 because we're only interested in a quarter of the circle. So 24 pi divided by 4 is going to be 6 pi. So if we now do the whole circumference, sorry, whole perimeter, it's going to be, so that's 6 pi. It's going to be 2 meters plus 2 meters plus 6 pi plus 5 pi. Yeah, so we've done 2 meters, 6 pi, 5 pi. So in total that's going to be 4 plus 11 pi meters. And if I change that into a decimal using my calculator, so I'm doing 11 times pi, which is 34.55. Add 4 to that, gives us 38.5575919. And if I'm going to write that to 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to cut it off there. And I look at the next one over, so I'm rounding up, 38.6 meters. And that's our final answer.